I'm creating a new project and adding the CPU, for example 1212C. Then there are security settings. I deselect protects the PLC configuration data. The option only allow the security PLC configuration should also be deselected. Finally, access level without password, full access. Then I'm changing the project properties, selecting support simulation during block compilation and the CPU properties, permit access with put-get communication. Then I change the I/O addresses. These addresses should be moved because working at the same time the portal, Plcsim and the process simulator need to get access to the same memory fields and disturbing each other. That's why they should be moved off any offset and then the inputs are used normally. I change the start addresses digital and analog inputs. There is no need to change the outputs, they are only read. I go now to portal 20. There are differences while a new project is being created. The first settings as before, and at the end should be selected access to PLC without authorization. Go back and add an anonymous user. I create a program and assign the outputs to the inputs, digital and one analog. Compile and then I'll establish the connection. I start from the Ethernet card configuration. The card should be enabled and connected to the Ethernet card in another computer or the switch. In this field, any IP address can be entered. Then, from the process simulator, I run nettoplcsim. While it is being started, the configuration of the port 102 is changing. Through that port, TIA portal is connected with Plcsim. I've started simulation, Plcsim and uploaded the control program. After starting Plcsim, I go back to connection configuration in nettoplcsim, add new connection and I enter two IP addresses. First the Ethernet card and the second virtual controller. Start server. Right mouse button starts monitoring of the connection. The connection should also be established in process simulator. I add two switches. The input signals coming in and the corresponding networks change their color. Active monitoring slows down the network connection, so during simulation, the best is to stop it. I'm adding another items, tanks, pipe and control valve, the analog input and a button, and the settings. The opening of the valve is set with analog input. Pressing the button sends the value to the controller, and the controller sends it back to the valve. Finally, I need to mention, nettoplcsim changes the configuration of the port 102 while it is being opened or closed, so that shouldn't be done when the connection through that port between TIA portal and Plcsim is active.